Are you a homeowner? Are you tired of your electric bills? Looking for solar professionals? Find them in the Solar Yellow Pages. Looking for multiple competitive quotes? Need an energy advisor to answer your questions? Need help to pick the right solar equipment? Looking for a better financing option? Call us 833 to the Hub. Don't know if solar is right for your house? Our solar evaluators will help you get your answers. Need a roofer for your solar project? No problem. We got your back. Need to know more about your solar installer? Check and see if they're listed here. Find the best solar professionals at solaryellowpages.com. Are you a solar installer? Do you want to increase your business volume? Do you want to lower your overhead? We got you covered. Looking for site auditors? We got you covered. Looking for CAD designers? Find them here. It's easy. Looking for professional engineers? Consider it done. Let the light shine on your project. Call 833 to the Hub.